Hello there.
Welcome back.
It started with a small blue board, simple, affordable, and powerful enough to spark a global movement. The Arduino Uno didn't just control LEDs, it controlled imagination. But this last week, Arduino have done something completely new, something that doesn't just blink light. It runs Linux, AI, even Python apps. Met the Arduino Q, the smartest, most ambitious board Arduino has ever made. For years, the Arduino Uno has been the art of every maker's toolbox. Simple I/O pins, easy programming, and that unmistakable blue board. I learned electronics with it, built few components, fry a few sensors. But that's how many of us started, and that's why Arduino became a legendary. Soon as projects grew more advanced, from drones and robots to AI devices, the Arduino started to show its limits. You couldn't run Linux, you couldn't run AI, you couldn't process camera feeds, and forget about machine learning. That's when Arduino decided to evolve. The Arduino Q is unlike anything before. Arduino partnered with Qualcomm, the same company that powers your smartphone, to give this board two brains. One side, an STM32 U585 microcontroller running at 160 MHz with 2 MB of flash memory and 786 KB of SRAM. This is the real side, handling sensors, motors, and precision control. The other side is a Qualcomm Dragon with RD2210, a quad-core IRMS Cortex A53 running at 2 GHz and even has 2 GB of RAM and 60 GB of eMMC storage built in it. No SD card needed. Yes, you heard it right, a Linux computer inside an Arduino. Now, let's talk about what this board can actually do. You get Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1 built-in, an USB-C port that can deliver power, data, and even video output. There is also support for DSI display, camera input, audio input and output. Yes, it's still compatible with classic Arduino shields and library, meaning the old LCD shield and motor driver you used 10 years ago still works. What's truly exciting is how these two processors work together. The microcontroller handles the real-time stuff like motor speed or sensor data, while the Linux side can run Python script and web server. Arduino pre-installed a full Debian Linux system plus their new App Lab environment, so you can code Arduino Sketch, Python script, and AI model in one place. Imagine you building a robot where one core balances the motors in real time, while the another core uses the camera to detect objects on the same board. That is like having an Arduino Uno plus Raspberry plus a Debian Nano all in one compact board. When I first read the spec, I actually thought it was like a prototype. Imagine 2 GHz, this is more than my first laptop, and 2 GB of RAM and Debian Linux running on an Arduino. It's almost like the engineer said that, okay makers, you have pushed our board to the limit for 20 years. There is the power you have been dreaming of. And as someone who dreams of using this board, I can tell you this feels emotional, because Arduino was never about specs, it was about possibilities, and this board brings back this feat, the one that said, what if? The Arduino Q isn't just another board, it's a bridge between makers and professionals, between microcontrollers and computers. It tells us that open source hardware is still evolving, still dreaming bigger. So no, I don't have the Arduino Q yet, but when I do, I'm going to test everything: AI, camera, automation, sensors, the whole lot, because this board could redefine what it means to build, to think, to invent. And if this is the future of Arduino, then the DIY world just got a serious update. So, what will you build with the Arduino Q? Let me know in comment. I am Patrick and this is Electro&science. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one.